U.S. home prices grew again in May from the previous month. For more on the latest details, let's bring Yahoo Finance's Dani Romero away. What are the key takeaways here?
Buyers are taking advantage of the slight dip in mortgage rates and are competing for a home, Jared. Home prices grew over the last month, and if we take a look at the S&P CoreLogic Case-Shiller National Home Price Index, it grew about 0.7% in May. This is the fourth consecutive monthly increase. And if we also take a look at the index measuring the 20 largest cities across the country, that grew about 1% on a seasonally adjusted basis. What does this mean? Buyers are taking the hit and buying a pricier home as there is limited housing inventory out there. Competition is heating up for buyers, specifically causing certain areas to become reheated again. For example, Chicago, Cleveland, New York reported the highest price gains, increasing about 3% to over 4% in home prices. So if you think that's odd, so do home experts. And one region that is still lagging is on the Pacific Coast. For example, Seattle and San Francisco, they had the largest and worst price drops, ranging around 11%. And the Midwest was the best performer, rising about 2%, Jared.
Dani, we've been talking a lot about the Fed. Their meeting kicked off today. Big decision tomorrow at 2 p.m. What possible repercussions could this have, another rate hike have on the mortgage market? Because we know rates are high already, but the Fed raises short-term rates. They don't really act directly on the longer-term rates.
Buyers' appetite hasn't been killed yet. Buyers are adjusting to higher mortgage rates, higher home prices. We're seeing that in the data,
yes.
Right? And so housing experts expect that home prices will fall pretty soon, depending in the coming months, they say, as unemployment is likely to rise, Jared. And that could impact the housing demand. But again, that is a wait and see type of factor. The story here is still the tug of war between supply and demand.
And it seems like demand is on the faltering side and secular tailwinds here. Looks like we don't have enough houses for quite a long time. Thank you for that, Dani Romero.